So I ordered this Razer DeathAdder Essential from Amazon Renewed. And guess what? It shows up in a regular Amazon box. No renewed label, no fancy refurbished branding. Just a box. Honestly, I kind of love that. It feels like Amazon's just saying, trust me bro. So yeah, I hope this thing is actually unused, or at least not used by someone with Cheeto fingers. Anyway, I paid rupees 923 for it. That's like less than what some people spend on coffee for a week. And here's the box. Looks super clean, almost brand new. Definitely not giving refurbished energy. The front says it's the DeathAdder Essential. And on the back, flexes a bit. We got a 60-photon DPI true optical sensor, 5 programmable buttons, and yeah, it needs software to customize stuff like lights and buttons. Stick around, I'll show that at the end. Let's crack it open. First thing out of the box, boring instruction manual. A Razer sticker. Okay, I did not expect that. I love collecting stickers for no reason at all, so this already feels like a win. Now to the good part, the mouse itself. First impression, the clicks are loud and oddly satisfying. If you're into clicky stuff, this one's got you covered. The sides have a nice rubber grip that feels great when you hold it. It's got that comfy ergonomic shape, like it's begging you to game for 6 hours straight and ruin your posture. The scroll wheel, no complaints, works just fine. The green Razer logo lights up and it looks pretty premium for a budget gaming mouse. Like, it wants you to think you spent more money than you did. I'm mad at that now about the weight. It's definitely lighter than my old Esports mouse, but not feather light. For me, it's perfect. I can't stand heavy mice, so this one's in the sweet spot. The best part, it's fully customizable through Razer Synapse software. You can tweak the DPI, but yeah, no dedicated DPI switch button on the mouse. Reprogram the buttons and even mess with the lighting. Set it to breathing or static mode, change the brightness, or just turn it off completely if you're into that ninja stealth look. But quick warning, Razer Synapse is a bit of a CPU hog. So if you're running this on a potato PC or an entry-level laptop, just know it might slow things down like your grandma's internet. Now here's my only real gripe, the cable is rubber. Like, come on, Razer is 2025 and even cheap mice come with braided cables now. This rubber wire feels a little outdated and probably won't survive being yanked off the desk too many times. So yeah, durability. But overall, for under rupees 1000, this thing's actually kinda great. Solid performance, customizable features, and that Razer branding clout. If you're on a budget and want something that doesn't suck, the DeathAdder Essential is a good pick. Alright, that's it from me. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button. Subscribe if you're into tech stuff, and drop a comment. Would you buy a refurbished product, or are you team only brand new or nothing? Thanks for watching.